hope everybody's doing well. So this week I'm going to be showing you how you can swap out packaged snacks to delicious package-free snacks. My love of making my own snacks started when I was at university, because I would always buy loads of these kind of snacks in the student union shop when I was after going to the gym or when I was in the library. And being a student, I soon realised this was way more expensive than making my own based on looking at the ingredients. And also, obviously, my interest in sustainability and cutting out more plastic and stuff like that happened at university. So I was looking for cheaper options, but also that were going to be better for the planet. So number one is going to be hummus. Absolutely love hummus. Probably one of the biggest hummus fans ever. I started making hummus when I was at university, and then I've also got some banana bread, which is incredible, and then I'm also going to make some energy balls, which are kind of replicating the naked ones. They're very similar ingredients. But yeah, hope you enjoy the little video of all those free snacks. guys have enjoyed watching this video of me making some snacks, and please do let me know at home if you do try any of them. Because I know when I did my Instagram story on me making the hummus, I got a lot of DMs saying please share the recipe, so please do give it a go and let me know how it goes. But yeah, sending lots of positivity and love out to everybody through these challenging times, but we all can get through this together. Lots of love, see you next week.